Okay, this question says solve the logarithmic equation. Log of 9 minus 4x equals 2. So we have two methods for solving log equations that we're going to look at. And one of them is to convert to an exponential, and the other one is to use the one-to-one property of logs. So let's look at both of them. So if you have a log equation like this, y equals log base b of x, to convert it to an exponential, you would take the base b, that becomes the base of the exponent. The log always equals the exponent. So whatever the log equals becomes the power. And then what is inside the log is what that exponential expression equals. So we take our log equation, we turn it to an exponential equation, and hopefully are able to solve from there. So the other method, which is the one-to-one property of logarithms, is when you have both sides of your equation. Notice both sides here have log of the same base. And what you can say is that because both sides have log with the same base, what's inside of those logs have to equal each other. So it allows you to take that log equation and simplify it. So our example is given to be log of 9 minus 4x equals 2. And I want to think about which one of these methods makes sense to use. So remember what I said about the property of logarithms requires us to have log with the same base on both sides. And I don't even have a log on one side of my equation here. So I'm going to go with converting to an exponential for this example. So you can think about these two different methods as having log only on one side and having the log on both sides as a way to tell which method to use. So on this one, we're converting to an exponential. So I need to know what the base of this log is. So I don't see any subscript down here, so that means that this is my common log, and that subscript or base is 10. So I have a base of 10. The log always equals the exponent. So 2 is going to go into that power. And then this expression is going to equal what's inside the log. So that 9 minus 4x is what 10 to the second power equals. So I've converted this to an exponential. Let's simplify 10 squared is 100. And then I want to get the x by itself. I'll subtract 9 on both sides. That gives me 91 equals negative 4x. Divide both sides by negative 4. And I have x equals 91, negative 91 over 4. Every log equation you need to check to make sure you're not taking the log of a negative. So I'll substitute that negative 91 over 4. 9 minus 4 times negative 91 over 4. The 4's cancel. And you've got 9 minus a negative 91. That's the same thing as plus. Negative minus a negative is plus, so we've got 9 plus 91. So that's going to be a positive value, and we'll end up keeping that solution. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.